We're just down at Grove House putting a sleeping policeman in. Inch too far, I'd say. Baggy loves my inches, don't you, Baggy?
I don't know what it is, but I can't believe what I've just witnessed.
Good morning. Yeah, it's cold actually. My ears are a bit, just starting a new job here at Hollingwood Primary here. You'll be seeing me doing a walk round before. Just had a meeting and that with head teachers and deputies. Bit of a later start, but we're just going to concentrate on this room down here. It's going in 1.8 blue, and then we've got some gates going here with some access control and everything. But the kids are off next week, so we'll do all that next week. He's going to go sort of up there as well. There's actually a load more to do around the back, but I'll get another video with that on. So obviously it's a live school, so I can't film much here. So yeah, should be a good one when it's done.
So we're at Hollingwood Primary School. It's a nice, foggy, horrible day. We've got Mark with us today. He's just showing lads what's going to be happening and what needs trenching. All this fencing here, all this is coming out, and this is our new fence, what we're putting in. A lot of this is going to be in half panels because it's going downhill. All this on top of the walls coming out. I'll show you from the other side as well, and exactly what we're going to be doing. As you can see, you'll have a better view at this side. As you can see, it's going down the hill. Half panels in most places because it's such a sharp hill. This wall's staying, no wall.
It's a filthy, disgusting habit, and I want you to quit now.
To take out, but this all fencing's coming out, and then we're coming down to this other side here. As you can see, Mark's just telling lads what's going on. There's going to be a double gate here. It's all going to be automated, run to the building, so that trenching needs doing. Be a gate there, gate there, gate there, and a gate up there. And then basically we're going to mirror how we've done this here, up this side here, and on the other side of the wall. It's going to go up to the top, attach onto this building here, carries on at the other side, runs across a bit. Then we've actually got a fence coming across here as well, and then just there, and then all the way to the other side.
Good morning. Very foggy morning this morning. I'm just quickly washing cups up so I can have a cuppa, but we're just doing an old wise remedy for our Justin here. Look, he's had toothache for a couple of days, so my mother, a dental nurse for 30 odd years, swears by a hot salt mouthwash. So he's just in agony holding it on the affected area now, but it will work. 2 or 3 times of doing that and he'll be right. So yeah, the lads have set off back to Hollingwood School this morning. Justin's just having his medicine that I'm giving him, and he's off up there with a van full of gates for him. And I'm off up in shortly actually to meet Matt, just go through where he wants his actual ducting and wires put in for next week. So yeah, all busy. Yeah, we're just over at Hollingwood. A couple of problems with where the gate or access controls want to be.
It's all changed here, mate. Fence is now going across here instead of across the top there. They want this gate here just to be padlocked, and they want the gate what's now going all the way at the top of there onto the wall. They want that to be access controlled.
We just had folders ones over there, and it's the first time I've heard about it, but it's actually not too bad to do, so it's not a problem. But we just try to suss out where all this ducting's going. Matt's actually on phone to him now, look. So too many chiefs in here at school are saying one thing, he's saying another, and it's a bit of a nightmare. Brain scramble, crikey, that's been hard work sorting them out, and the actual fence lines change and everything. I mean, I'll just turn it round. You can see where we've started here. We're just going down the hill. Lads are just putting a bit of an access gate in there, just mainly for cleaning that. This old steel fencing on the outside is going to come down, and then we're going to take these gates down, put new gates across here. We've got to dig a trench up there to school, key fob on there, key fob up there, and then our fencing was actually meant to come across there with a gate, follow that and go like that, but they don't want that. They actually want it to come all the way down here to these new gates now. So yeah, I've literally been here 2 hours sorting it out. God knows how many phone calls, drawings, and anyway, I've got it sorted with the deputy head lady in here. She's nice actually, so yeah, all should be good.
So I just got back to site with lads. It's nearly the end of the day. Been over to Rotherham to pick some stuff up. As you can see, it's looking well. All them panels down there are going in 800s and all the way down. Jamie's got his eye-vis on. Makes a change. Just putting 2 gates in now. That one, double. Let's have a look at the front of this. It's better, doesn't it? All this is to come out. I don't know how much you can see with that sun shining at us. All the way up that hill. Then on the other side. You got it all coming down here. Gates to go in there. We'll attach the gates after. As you can see, it's a nice blue. We've got all the back to do yet, and that's all green. Notice that one post there just needs sorting out.
Been catching up with my admin, phone's been non-stop. People try to get jobs before Christmas as usual, leaving it well last minute. But yeah, I'm just over at a community centre actually in Huddersfield. We did a job not far from here actually for like a mosque, and one of the trustees is at this community centre, so I said, seeing as you did such a good job for us there, would you like to have a go at this one? So I'm just waiting on seeing him actually. I just spoke to him, he's on his way. Just car park, but I presume they're going to fence it off. Something like that from down there, I'm not sure. I'll see what he wants, but it's quite open by the looks of it. So he's on about the car park, so it might just go around car park and a couple of gates they said, so I'll see what he says when he gets here. On about maybe 1.2 or 1.8 on the top of this wall here. It's sort of stepping down, so I'd have to step it down, and then obviously same on that side there where it goes up there, which it's going to be tricky. So a lot of steps, but he's not that bothered about cranks, so he's on about putting it on the inside of the wall, like normally you crank it over like that, but he's not bothered. Then there's a run there where that timber fence is, just there. That's pretty straightforward, and a single gate there, 2 metre high. There's a bit to halt around the back with some railings, and then there's a big steep hill down there. I think there's 15 metres and a single gate down there, but it's really steep. So I've just explained that to him. He's already had a quote somebody because he's just shown me it, and I said, well, they haven't allowed it for stepping and going in half panels, which he's going to need. So I explained that to him anyway. So anyway, yeah, it's not a bad job, it's just a bit tricky. So I'll get it back. I'm just going to Greenhead College now. I'll go there and measure that one up and get back to you.
So Jamie's gone off on holiday, left us in no, not really, but we've got Baggy with us today. We've already done here. This is the front section finished now, all fenced in. All we're going to do is just cut these gate posts out and tidy it up. All that fence is in, all intersections are in, gate shut. That top section up there's in. It's looking good. Looking good. Changed from what we were meant to go in. All the tarmac's going to get done because we're actually trenching all the way down here, so we're leaving that until the end. Look at that. Looking better. We've still got all the back to do. What we'll show you later on next week.
Basically, there's a college just there. I don't know if you can see it in the background. It's over there, and this is like a spare car park where the staff park. Show you. Look, this is Greenhead College. They took this on, so basically about 75 metres of 2 metre high twin mesh, so it's going to go on there along here, and there's 2 sets of double gates. There's one where my car is somewhere, and I've just noticed there's a nice lamppost there, which could be a problem because that must mean there's electric here somewhere. It's going to come on here, follow it round, and then we want an in and an out exit basically. So I think there were another set of gates here somewhere. I think it might have been to there, just to stop people getting over. They weren't bothered about that side. Yeah, in fact I think it was, if I remember. So I think I said I'd bolt them to that concrete there, them few. So yeah, it should be a nice straightforward one really, apart from obviously the gates will be a nightmare, because no doubt they'll want it doing. People will be in and out, but might have to be done in a hot school holiday this, because it's a college, so they'll have similar holidays to schools I presume. Good morning, Friday already. Oof. Very busy this week. Like I say, the lads have been at Hollingwood School up towards Queensbury most of this week. Back there next week. Might get most of it finished. There's only 2 of them now. Jamie's actually gone on holiday this morning. Big holiday, so he gets 3 weeks off. We're doing a little repair in between Christmas and New Year. So we're about a week to go to Rebecca up next Friday. We've just gone and got rest at gates actually. Yesterday Justin went for these. They're around the back of the school, that's just in green. Like you've probably seen, the rest of it around the front is blue. We've still got quite a few panels left there and a couple of gates to go in. We've still got these to go in. These are going down by the nursery next week. So all the posts there, a couple of gates. So we can't get in there till next week because they're still there in that nursery, very busy. So we'll get that capped off next week while nobody's about, and then we've got to do some trenching for Matt's access control bits. We'll do that next week while nobody's there. So yeah, probably not going to be far off. Might have a few metres to do week after, but that's it. Anyway, I'm just going over to Denholm now, Denholm School. I think they have to do a bit of an alteration, some bit of mesh in a gate or something. So I'll let you know when I get there.
Well, we're just down at Grove House putting a sleeping policeman in. What would you say, Baggy? Looks a bit out of line, doesn't it? Yeah. So I'll look downside. Inch too far, I'd say. Baggy loves my inches, don't you, Baggy?
I don't know what it is, but I can't believe what I've just witnessed.
So, just finishing up on a Friday, me and Baggy. Well, Jamie's on holiday. Looks like it's going to be pub for 1 o'clock for us boys. Yeah, so these are sleeping policemen we're putting underneath these gates. Stop them from basically driving in and out quite fast. And also it eliminates a bit more of the gap underneath the gate since it's going uphill. Yeah, we'll get cracked on here. We've got Matt over there just doing gate automations. So we'll get out of here, and I hope you all enjoy the weekend.
So exactly what I feared may happen at this school has happened. Basically, the business manager got in touch yesterday, and as we were talking to her on the phone, can you see me there? Okay. On the phone, I says, "Oh well, this was yesterday. I can pop up tomorrow." Blah blah blah. Oh well, I won't be there, but the school know what's going on. I said, "Are you sure there's somebody there that knows exactly what needs to happen?" Yeah, they should do, yeah. I said, "No, do they?" Yeah, definitely. Right, okay. So I arranged to come at 10 AM this morning. I'm here. Goes inside, nobody knows. Oh, I think it's going there. It's like pointing from a field to 2 fields away. It's all overgrown, down a hill. I think it's going there, but I don't know how much. I said, well, is it getting cleared? Are we doing? Oh, I don't know. It's like, I've come all the way here, it took me half an hour. And it's like, alright, yeah, I've no better to do with my life. Stuff like that, just, I tell you, it's always the same. Just, anyway, rant over, but, whilst I'm here, I'm probably going to sign off actually, because I've just got some boring admin stuff to do this afternoon, so you don't want to know that. So yeah, all good and old. Another good week here at Airedale. We've got quite a bit done. Hopefully, like I say, next week should be more or less done at Hollingwood, so that should be good. But whilst you're here, give us a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.